Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and start with the battery. So it says, how many hours would your device last if it was at 50%? So if you have the full battery, that's 100%, and 100% means that your battery is gonna last 20 hours. So if my battery is at 50%, well, 50% is half of 100. So I'm gonna go ahead and split this up. So I'm gonna put 50%. So if it's 50%, what I have to do, I would need to divide this by 2 because 50% is half also. So then if I divide that by 2, then that means that 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. So the device will last 10 hours if the battery is at 50%. So go ahead and write the 10 hours into your assignment and then go to the next question.